First destination, we're trying to get breakfast at Essa Bagel. Walking there from the hotel. Someone just spat next to me. Y'all, Essa Bagel closed for renovation. Okay, we're going next. We're inside the Grand Central Market. Looking for things to eat. Oh my gosh! Cannot believe I'm seeing this in person. Gossip Girl vibes. Wow. Oh, they're so pretty. Are those constellations? Wow, zodiacs. No, not zodiacs. Ah, there. Trying to buy tickets for the subways. We got like old style buildings here, and then like newer modern buildings like this. 88. What is this? 1 Manhattan West. The inside looks so pretty. But then you gotta turn left. This looks insane. And then that's where we're going up to in a bit. But right now we're gonna go get bagels at another place. This is what we're settling for. Liberty Bagels.
Going toward the back with a line of that.
We'll find over here. And the bagel, I mean the menu is so expensive. I don't even know what to get. Flavors. I don't like pesto, but I got a pesto sandwich. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good. Good. So big. Good. All I got is avocado and kimchi so far. Yeah. But it's good. It's good. This, you stop the chicken. I took out the chicken. Oh, it's so flavorful. Yeah, that's the chicken. So flavorful. Pesto, tomato, lettuce, mozzarella cheese. Just out on the sidewalk. You got all the salmon.
No, it's in here.
Oh.
Oh, that's a different sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's a chicken salmon bagel something.
Watch out. The lighting's amazing. Although I can't see it.
Holy fuck. Look at that. Wow.
You do? You don't want to use it.
I remember like I looked after Google, it was like
And weed ice cream. So weird.
Now, it's very cold and walking to the edge.
This is how cold it is.
These guys don't care, like, so
Why does it look so on the camera? Yes. You know the iPhone stabilizing feature? Oh, I'm being pushed left and right. Oh, there's the shop. Hudson. No, yes, Hudson Yards. We're here. Okay, Win.
It's so cold, but we're at the vessel. So cool, but it's so windy. It's so cold. Watch out, the steps. Okay, we're trying to find Wi-Fi to find food because Grand Central didn't have food, and so many was closed. I think we're having really bad luck with food this trip. We made it inside. It is warm. My hands and my legs are thawing out. Oh, I wasn't prepared for this type of weather. What is this tree? It looks so pretty.
Oh, so what's I have at home?
Oh, it's like a hybrid.
But it's a green version.
Yeah, see, it's so pretty though. Oh, this looks crazy.
Is it clear?
I hope so. But it's probably not as good as the iPhone camera. We're inside the mall. We're warming up before heading upstairs. Yes.
Oh, no. Is it a kangaroo?
Oh, it is. Or I think it's just.
Is it taped on?
And Jonas Brothers playing? Yes, let's go. Oh, every time I step. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, this one's broken. I'm gonna write my name. How'd I do it? Oh, it hurts. Imagine all the people that touch this. New York City.
Constantly changing new ideas mix. If you stop,
Oh, look at the ceiling.
you'll see entire neighborhoods reshaping themselves every day. But every so often, there's a moment that transforms the urban
Wow,
fabric.
look at that.
Will never be the same.
Wow, what is this? This feels so trippy. This is kind of like Team Mom. Okay, how do we get up? Hey, wait, why is this kind of scary? Oh, subway. Cute. Wow, there's people in there. There's people. Nah, it's not. This looks so beautiful. Look at this. So beautiful. And it's such a nice day out too. Putting the hand to the glass is actually so scary. And looking down, oh my goodness. Looks so scary.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
I'm actually gonna.
Moi, je réserve une
So
place.
we're just gonna break on me.
Non, sérieux.
It really makes sense.
So beautiful. Oh, I see Central Park. I think. If it's not, I would sound really stupid. I think that's the Empire State Building over there. Wow, so beautiful. Such a nice day.
You know how much it is to come here? 40 something dollars to come up here for this view, which is I can see why. I can see why too. There's a lot of people here, but it's such a nice day. Such a nice day. So sunny. The Empire State Building. I think Central Park's over there. There? Somewhere over there. The park right there. That one.
Please, take me a photo now.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Empire, si on fait o algo.
All of it? Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Had to take a photo, you know, tourist vibes. That is the Even Hotel, and we're staying at either that one or one of them.
Where is it?
Oh, yeah, we definitely could have walked here. It's called a shakerado. Espresso with milk and muscovado. It's some sort of sweetener that's like a natural sweetener. And it's really good. Iced coffee on a windy ass day. How's yours? New Orleans style coffee. That's amazing. So good. So windy. Oh. This is like emo air.
It's gonna be weird, but this washroom's so nice. It's like a cave situation. Where'd they go? This washroom cave. So cool. Is it recording?
Let's go to a higher place. We'll probably see more from a higher place. We're looking for someone. The red hat. Yeah, right there. Oh, there we go. We found him. Where? You wanna chuck it? Huh? You wanna chuck it? I'm gonna take a video. It's already on.
I can't. My back's gonna break.
Okay. Woo. Back to Isle of Roll.